Everyone, good morning to all of you. Today I'm here to tell about that of course you also can get free of classes. Then is it possible? Lots of students and people messaging me, ma'am, is it available free of cost classes? I don't have money. Yes, of course, absolutely it is. Of course, it is possible. On my YouTube channel, it is absolutely free. You also can continue your live classes on daily basis for the enhancing your basic course in English. If you are looking that you want to keep your eyes on grammar and you also can clear the concept according to the basic course, then of course I will organize the classes, live classes on daily basis from 28th of November. So I will organize these classes for 1 month, 28th November to 27th December. So please continue your live classes so that you can clear your point which is relate of your grammar, so that of course you can actually make your pillars strong in English. If you have any query, you can ask me through the comment box. And of course, it is my humble request to everybody, please share this message to everybody, with your friends, with your nibblings, with your parents, with anyone who actually are looking English speaking classes. So please follow this. Please switch on the notifications so that of course you can get all notifications whenever I am uploading any videos or any stuff, so that of course you can learn lots of things. Of course you also can make yourself as positive. It is important that without your support I cannot do any kind of things, because more and people, if in the live classes, then of course it somehow it is for me a best achievement. It is for me that you are really interested, so much crazy you have so much enthusiasm that you want to clear your basic course in English. So more and more people I want in my live classes, so that of course you also can learn on daily basis. I will fix a timing, but please response me through the comment box on the YouTube, so that of course I can get to know that how much you are so much enthusiasm to enhance your English vocabulary, English grammar. Let's continue, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share more and more share, so that people also can learn or enhance their English grammar. They don't need to invest the fees on learning of grammar. Okay, so bye everybody, have a great day, all, good night. And don't forget to press the notifications, because with the pressing of notifications icon you can get notifications to when I just update my videos. Bye.